Have you heard about the latest controversy in the golf world? Rumors are swirling about pro golfer Rory McIlroy being offered a staggering sum of $850 million to join the LIV Golf League. But wait, before you jump to conclusions, let's get the facts straight. First off, McIlroy himself has denied these reports. Yes, you heard it right. The golfer expressed his commitment to finishing his career on the PGA Tour, dispelling any speculations about him switching leagues. Despite the buzz and the criticism surrounding LIV Golf, McIlroy acknowledges the autonomy of players in decision-making. After all, golf is not just about the swing, it's also about strategic choices, isn't it? Now, this doesn't mean that everything is smooth sailing. The PGA Tour's alliance with the Saudi-backed LIV Golf League remains unresolved, with negotiations still ongoing. It's a delicate dance of diplomacy and strategy, a game off the green that might be just as challenging as the one on it. Interestingly, McIlroy's stance on welcoming back players from LIV Golf to compete in the Ryder Cup has evolved over time. Change is the only constant, as they say, and it seems McIlroy is no exception to this rule. So, what have we learned from this story? First, Rory McIlroy is not jumping ship to the LIV Golf League, at least not for now. Second, despite the ongoing controversy surrounding the LIV Golf League, players have the autonomy to make their own decisions. Third, the PGA Tour's alliance with the Saudi-backed league is still a work in progress. And finally, McIlroy's views on welcoming back players from LIV Golf to the Ryder Cup have evolved. In the ever-changing landscape of golf, it's not just about the perfect swing, but also about navigating the complexities off the course. And as we've seen with this latest controversy, even the most seasoned players can be at the heart of it. So the next time you hear a rumor about your favorite golfer, remember there's always more to the story.